The theme of this year's World Cities Day, Financing Sustainable Urban Future for All, highlighted the urgent need for proper financial planning to ensure livable and safe cities. A report by the Energy Policy Institute at Chicago revealed that 39 out of the world's 50 most polluted cities are in India, where pollution reduces life expectancy significantly. The major contributors to pollution in Indian cities include flawed urbanization, expansion of grey infrastructure, burning of paddy straw, and rapid growth in the automobile market. The article emphasizes the necessity for policy shifts towards sustainable urbanization, prioritizing public transport, regulating construction activities, controlling private vehicular movement, and protecting urban commons. Strengthening governance and empowering people through awareness and participation are essential steps to combat the severe air pollution crisis, particularly focusing on the vulnerable and marginalized communities.
8 former Indian Navy officials, who have been held in Qatar on unknown charges since August 2022, have been sentenced to death by a Qatari court. The families of the officials, who were hoping for their release, are now faced with the prospect of the death penalty. The Indian establishment is deeply shocked by the court's sentence. The charges against the officials have been kept secretive, and the speed of the trial and conviction has surprised the Indian side. The officials were working for an Omani company called Dehra Global Technologies, which has now been shuttered. The company's website was deactivated after news of the officials' incarceration broke. It is important for India to resolve this diplomatic issue with Qatar to avoid any negative impact on their relationship.
As Delhi and nearby states in India face their annual air quality crisis due to receding monsoons and increased pollution from various sources, the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, finds itself limited in its powers to effectively address the issue. Despite improvements in awareness and actions to curb pollution sources, November remains a critical month for severe air quality, primarily due to factors like stubble burning, vehicular pollution, and construction dust. The CAQM must assert its authority, coordinate efforts, and enforce stringent measures to tackle these challenges, emphasizing the need for a concerted approach and greater compliance within Delhi and surrounding states.
In October, India's Gross Goods and Services Tax (GST) revenues reached over 1.72 lakh rupees crore, marking a 13.4% increase from the previous year and breaking a deceleration trend seen in the second quarter of the fiscal year. This growth rate pickup is crucial for the Finance Ministry's 2023-24 fiscal plans, providing a buffer against potential spending or subsidy shocks. The uptick in October's revenues is attributed not only to festive season spending but also to the Revenue Department's crackdown on non-compliance and a deadline for settling disputes. Revenues from domestic transactions and service imports grew, indicating a potential recovery in domestic demand, particularly for premium goods. Additionally, a new amnesty scheme for settling GST demands may further contribute to the revenue boost.
The article explores the concept of split voting in elections, comparing the political behavior in Odisha, India, and Auckland, New Zealand. Odisha witnessed differentiated political choices in concurrent Lok Sabha and state assembly elections, whereas New Zealand employs the mixed member proportional (MMP) system, allowing voters to cast separate votes for candidates and parties. The MMP system ensures localized accountability, policy focus, improved representation for marginalized groups, enhanced democracy, flexibility, and a younger political representation. The article suggests that introducing a split voting system in India could enable voters to express nuanced choices and promote a mature democracy, citing recent political behavior in Odisha as evidence of a willingness to embrace such nuanced choices.
The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project, CLIP, has become a focal point in Telangana's assembly elections, with opposition parties, particularly Congress, targeting the ruling Bharat Rashtra Samiti (BRS) over alleged corruption in the project. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi visited the area where piers of the Medigadda barrage sunk and accused the BRS of misappropriating funds. The ruling party defended itself, pointing out that expenditure on the project hadn't reached a six-digit figure. A critical report from the National Dam Safety Authority has added fuel to the opposition's anti-corruption campaign, making the electoral contest more intense.
A study conducted by the Lokniti Center for the Study of Developing Societies, CSDS, sheds light on the reasons why students choose coaching centers in Kota, Rajasthan, for their exam preparations. The survey, conducted between the first and second week of October 2023, included over 1,000 students. It revealed that the majority of students in Kota's coaching centers come from states like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. NEET, the entrance test for medical colleges, is popular among Kota's students, with 59% preparing for it. The test for engineering programs, is chosen by 35% of students. Many students move to Kota after dissatisfaction with their exam performance elsewhere. Most students, 81%, in coaching centers enroll in dummy schools to fulfill board exam requirements. Despite challenges, the majority, 65%, consider clearing G or NET exams extremely important for a better future.
The Zika virus, a mosquito-borne flavivirus, and its association with microcephaly in newborns gained global attention during the 2015 to 2018 outbreak in the Americas. The virus has two lineages, African and Asian. Genetic studies have provided insights into its evolution and transmission patterns. Recent research using primate models suggests that the fetal Zika virus infections and pre-existing antibodies against dengue virus, DENV, could influence the severity of microcephaly. Interactions between Zika and DENV also impact disease outcomes. Additionally, studies have explored how viral infections affect skin microbes, influencing mosquito attraction and transmission. Genomic technologies play a crucial role in understanding these diseases as they spread due to climate change and environmental conditions.